Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, welcome to our bonus vlog for the week. And you know what that means for today, guys. This is the part 2 of us unboxing Labubu's latest collection, the version 3, Big Into Energy series. So I said the last vlog that I would not be purchasing any version 3s anymore, but here I am. I have 5 separate single boxes of Labubu version 3 that we are going to unbox for today because I am on the hunt in getting the secret Labubu. So guys, I'm so excited to be sharing this to you, and I'm inviting you all to watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramirify2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so let us start with box number 1. So as you know guys, what I currently have, so I have all 4 already, and what I am currently hunting of course would be the secret ID. Then of course guys, I still don't have love. I still don't have hope. So those are the 3 that I'm hunting for today. So I'm so excited. Let's start with box number 1. So here it is. So here we have box number 1. If I could remove guys the cards immediately, that's what we're going to do for today, because of course as much as possible we would like to get our secrets for today. Okay, so this one I've damaged the box totally, so let me just remove the content first. So here we have the packaging, and then let us pray now for the secret. So 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Oh wow. Oh, I think this is love. Oh my god. Yes. Okay. So that is a very good pull for the very first try because we do not have love yet. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Actually guys, when I was unboxing, or I was watching others unboxing their Big Into Energy series, I fell in love with love because I love the variation. I love the colorway. So this is so exciting. The first reveal in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, oh my god. Oh wow, I love the ombre combination. Wow. Oh wow. Oh, finally I have her. So this is my 5th Labubu. So let me just fix her a little bit. So again, this is the card. Oh, that is nice. That is nice. So this is now my 5th Big Into Energy Labubu. So this is the combinations as you can see. So let us just take a closer look because we don't have her yet. So this is the glittery eyes. Then of course the color of her ears are 2 different colors, like a light pink and then a darker pink over here, as you can see. And then here is the one color tooth, same color with the nose over here, and then of course we have the colored toenails. So again, let us check the ombre effect of this one. So we have lighter over here, then darker. That is why I fell in love with love, because I love the contrast. So there would be lights and then there would be dark. That is the type of Labubus that I really wanted. So here we have the backside. So the backside, there are lots of darker colorways. Others are saying that they have a heart shape. Oh, okay. I think this one. Is it just me? Am I seeing a heart shape like this one? Is it just me? Right? So comment down below guys if you could also see this heart. Please forgive my nails. I just voted here in the Philippines. So once you voted, your fingernails will be colored as well. So there, of course, we have here the color effect. Love this one. Let me just take a closer look guys. And I love the chubbiness. So let us compare her maybe to Loyalty, because this is the closest colorway for love. As you can see, they're both vibrant and they're both chubby. I wish just the ears of this one has a little bit of gap over here, because honestly I want my Labubus to have less gap between their ears. But aside from that ones, of course we could twist their bodies as you can see. And I love of course how fluffy she is. And of course, I love how chubby and stuff this Labubu is. So here we have another one. So that is a very good pull for box number 1. Yay! Alright, so box number 2. So that is a very good pull. I did not expect that. So now we are hunting, of course, for the secret. And then, of course, the blue one, hope. But definitely, I would want to get the secret first. I failed to share you the shake test a while ago. So here is the shake test of this one. So it is actually very light. And there is a lot of shaking. I could hear the card and I could hear the silica pack. So let us check now what we have here. So hopefully, this time we are going to get still our targets. Okay, so it's making me a little bit nervous because we got a very good first pull. Okay, wait 1 moment. There you go. Okay. Wow. That is quite a struggle. So if I could remove... Okay, something fell. That is the silica pack. So I'm touching now the card. So, oh, why do we have 2 cards? I'm touching 2 cards. 3, 2, 1. Yes, okay. Oh, wow. Ooh. So we got 2 cards, 2 loyalty. Oh, wow. Wow. So we are not going to, of course, we are not going to unbox her anymore. So just checking. So here's the card. Here is the silica pack that fell. So this is a duplicate for us because, of course, if you are not familiar who Loyalty is, so this is Loyalty. So she became my instant favorite from our last unboxing because I wasn't expecting how fluorescent and how contrasting her colorway is, which I actually much love with the Labubu version 3. So this one, so this is Loyalty. So again, close up, as you can see, colorway yellow and pink, glittery eyes, then color of nose, color of one tooth, and then same color with the toenails. And then of course, with the ombre finish, of course, there would have different ombre effect. Unfortunately, we cannot pick on that one because definitely, since that is a duplicate, I would be reselling that one. You may be asking because last time I have 3 of this one, and then of course I would only be keeping 1. So good news is I was able to sell already the duplicate of this one, and I'm expecting that I would be able to resell this one. But in any case, guys, you're interested with my duplicates, just kindly comment down below so we could see what would happen and rehome probably my duplicate Labubus there. Alright, so now let us go to box number 3. Wow, that was fast. So we're almost halfway. So this is box number 3. Still, we are hoping for hope. And then, of course, my number 1 target would be secrets. So here's the shake test. So it is the same as box number 2 a while ago, but hopefully we are going to get our targets this time. Actually, I wouldn't mind if I would be getting luck, because luck is the chase of everyone as well and would be easier for me to dispose. And I could imagine myself using 2 lucks on my bag. It would be super cute. Alright, so now let us move on to the unboxing. Okay, so that is a lot faster. So let me just remove the packaging first. Okay, so the silica pack again flew. So now let me remove the card. I would not be touching the card because immediately I could tell whether it's a secret or not, because the card of the secret is inside a plastic bag. So once I touch the card inside and it's not inside a plastic bag, I would immediately know that it is not a secret. So definitely I would want to get a secret. So now I would just be pulling it immediately. 3, 2, 1. Okay, oh wow, oh wow, that is super nice. So we got luck. So as mentioned earlier, I wouldn't mind to get a duplicate of luck because this is everyone's favorite, and actually it would be easier for me to sell her. So this is luck. So luck is my favorite aside from loyalty. So both of these are my top. Love. Yay, oh my god, that is nice. Should I open? Because I really want to keep 2 lucks. I don't know. So I would just not open for today, but just in case you haven't seen luck yet. So this is what she looks like. So we have her, of course, the lilac violet combination of her sparkly glittery eyes, and of course the color of her ears. As you can see, we have like this mauve color, and then we have like this dark pink. And then of course the color of the tooth and nose is the same, like a blueberry, a matte blueberry finish. And then of course the color of the toenails is the same as well. And then of course I love the unicorn colorways. Others are calling it as a cotton candy feel or look, in which I could also see that, but for me it really does remind me of the color of the unicorn. That is why I would be putting the emoji of unicorn here so that you would also be reminded of the colorway. This is the back part of Luck, and then of course the hang tag. So we have here Monsters, and then the back it says POPMART, and then the colorway of the ring over here. So super love this one. So this is a good duplicate. I really don't mind getting Luck for my box number 3. Yay! What do you think? Comment down below. Alright guys, box number 4. So this one, I would love to share the shake test, the sound. I'm putting this into last because I'm kind of feeling something different with this one, because as you can see, it doesn't have any shake at all compared to the other one. So this is the up and down. None. Side to side. Front to back. It doesn't have much shake compared to the other ones where I could hear everything. So hopefully guys, we get, of course, I really wish we could get the secret. It's really my target. If not guys, hope, but definitely I really love to get this one. So please give me secret guys. I've been hearing a lot of good stories that some others are actually getting even 2 secrets in single boxes that they purchase. Hopefully I would be one of those people who can share those stories. So alright, so let me just get the... Okay, so let me just... Oh, something appeared. Okay, let me just... Crap. Anyway, I kind of seen the card, and I think this is not the secret, but let me just pull it out in 3, 2, 1. Okay, alright, so there, so I damaged the card a little bit, but this is good because I folded the card. Damn it. So I got hope, but anyway, this is my 6th Labubu. That is good. So we got the 2 targets that we have, although I did not get the secret. This is still a good pull. This is still a good pull. So let me just remove the packaging. I wasn't really sure why there was no shake on this one. So let us do the reveal in 3, 2, 1. There she is. Oh my gosh, she's so cute and so chubby. Just look at her guys. So again, let me just show you the card. The card is kind of damaged. I think that is my fault, but anyways, there. Wow. Oh, super nice. So let me just fix. Oh, I love her. She's really chubby. I super love chubby Labubus. So let us take a closer look. So this is the face. So the eyes, as you can see, sparkly. It's also ombre effect, so glittery, sparkly. Then the color of the ears. So we have a turquoise color. Then we have like a dark blue colorway. Then of course the color of the nose is the same color as this tooth, like a dark turquoise colorway, and then same color as the toenails. Wow, that is nice. And then of course, this is the body of Labubu. Then moving her. Wow. Ooh, super nice. That is nice. Wow. Wow, super nice. I love this chubby Labubu. Let me just take a closer look. So I think this is the reason why there was no movement, because as you can see, the card is already bent. So maybe this is preventing, the shaking inside the card. So I thought we are going to get a secret. But still guys, overall, we got a very good pull, because as you can see, so we have, this is Hope, right? No, this is Hope. And then we got Love. So I don't have them from my last pull. Then of course I have my other 4s. I'm going to show them to you. So what do you think guys for our unboxing for today? Alright, so guys, so overall, so finally my Labubu version 3 Big Into Energy is finally complete. So we have Love, we have Hope, And then the other pulls that we got for today, so we got Luck. So we got a duplicate of this one, which I really don't mind. So this is Luck. And then another duplicate of Loyalty. So for Loyalty, definitely I would be rehoming Loyalty. And then of course, we have Happiness. And then last but not the least, the very first pull that we got Serenity. So there, so we got a complete set, even though we purchased singles. So actually, I still have one coming my way. I'm not really sure if I should cancel that because I already have these. But honestly, guys, I really wanted to get the secret. I thought I could get one, but unfortunately not. But guys, I'm still very happy with the collection that I got. What do you think? There, did you enjoy our unboxing episode for today? Hopefully, guys, you did. So, what did you get, guys, on the Labubu version 3 Big Into Energy series? I would love to hear from you. Kindly comment down below, and which one is your favorite from your polls. If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a unicorn emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramira52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!